Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input, and languages at the top. Now let's tap on other languages, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. Let me choose choose maybe the Greek one. Just tap on it, and your device will ask you whether you want to apply this specific language as a primary one. So just tap on apply language. Now we just got back automatically to the list of languages, kind of a shortcut list of languages. And here you can see that from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language, in my case Greek. If you've got more than one language added here in this list, and they will be added automatically whenever you will change the language, you can reorder them to quickly change the system language. Just tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, right now we've got English applied. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, tap on remove, mark the language, and tap on remove. Tap on remove again, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.